we'll learn how to make a headband. What you are going to need are wrapping tape and some fake bunch of flower of your choice, colorful beads, scissors, pliers, and glue gun. First, we should use pliers to separate the flowers. Choose contrasting colors for flowers like white or red. Stick the flower to the wrapping tape with glue gun. When you finish, use tweezer to put some beads on for decoration. It looks super cool, right? And I bet you love it. It is quite easy to make these amazing envelopes. You can choose a decorative piece of paper or any other paper you like. Measure the center, fold the paper as is shown here. Now, we fold the edges like this. Be sure you follow all steps correctly. Use ribbon and tie a bow. Glue it somewhere near the center of the gift envelope. And it's done! Are you feeling bored? You need a boost? I have a little explosive gift for you. Don't be afraid, because I'm not going to blow up anything. There are just candy inside the bomb. Mark off the length of the candy package on the red paper. Cut it off. Attach a strip of double-sided tape to the package and wrap it with the paper. Cut off the excess part. Make 3 identical straight dynamite sticks. Put them together to form a pyramid. Then, hot glue a piece of cord between them. It will fuse attached to a stick to each other. Cut off the paper boom. Divide with a black marker and write boom, just like in the comics. Make a hole with a puncher pass through the cord and tie it up to the dynamite. My friends are all enjoying taking candies out of the original package. If I could replace all the bombs in the world with candies, life would be just a bowl of cherries. In this video, I will teach you how to make DIY phone cover. All you need is a plain phone cover, beads, glue gun, braided piping, twister. So I just had a little technique here. You just smear the glue in like a little spot, and then you just stick the braided piping to cover the phone's frame. Add the diamonds or the beads or whatever you decide. Yeah, I tried out. The thing about mine is there is a hole between, because they are round, right? So it is then I have to clump the glue all over. But I might be feeling those in yet to be determined. Alright, so I've got the bag done looking very good.